Hi everyone and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're going to be making this super cute My Little Pony themed trinket dish. So I had a lot of fun making this other one. This one was made with toys from a Poopsie Surprise and it turned out super cute. So I thought it would be really fun to make one for My Little Pony. So today we're going to be making one for Rainbow Dash, and because Rainbow Dash has lots of rainbows in her, we are going to make the trinket dish with lots of rainbow colored glitter. Alright, let's get started. As always, when working with resin, make sure to use proper safety equipment, including gloves. I use nitrile gloves, a well-ventilated room, and have a respirator. Let's start by mixing the 2-part resin. Now we're going to take the clear resin and mix it into cups of glitter. I have 7 colors here, 1 for each shade of the rainbow. Now we're going to pour them one by one onto the plate. I'm attempting to make a rainbow, but I'm not really sure how this is going to turn out because resin does move and it's not that easy to get them to stay. So we'll take a look after we're done and see if we like it. Here, we're going to use a heat gun to pop the bubbles. So I'm not too impressed with the way my rainbow is looking right now. It doesn't look that great. The lines are not very clean. So I'm going to take my toothpick here and we're going to just mix the colors up a bit. We're not going to mix it too much. We still want to see the different shades of the rainbow, but I'm not going to keep it into this rainbow shape. Taking the remainder of the resin, we're going to pour them into a little crystal mold. I'm also going to pour them one color at a time in the shades of the rainbow, so starting with red and yellow, orange, and so forth. Hopefully these colors will settle in layers and won't mix too much. Once we're done, we're going to set it aside to cure overnight. Now we need to paint Rainbow Dash. The Rainbow Dash figure that I have here is a blank. It is already primed and ready to be painted. Back here are the acrylic paints with all the colors that we need. The first thing we're going to do is paint the entire body a light blue color. After that, we're going to take each color of the rainbow and paint her mane. We're going to start with yellow, orange, and then red on top. On the sides here, we're going to do green, blue, and finally purple. We're going to take the same colors and paint the tail. And finally, we're going to take the stickers and add the eyes and the cutie mark. Alright, and we are done with Rainbow Dash. Oh my goodness, look at her. Doesn't she look amazing? So it's been about 12 hours and the resin is mostly cured. So let's go ahead and take the crystal out of the mold. And here is the crystal. Look at this. We have all the different colors in here. So now we have all the pieces that we need. We have our dish, which is also super glittery and beautiful. We have our crystal. And of course we have our Rainbow Dash. So I think we should place Rainbow Dash here in the corner. And maybe this crystal here in the front. In the middle, what do you think? Now we're going to take our UV resin, add it to the underside of the crystal, and then slide it under the UV lamp. Next, we're going to add Rainbow Dash. As a final touch, we're going to add some resin to the crystal here. The mold that I used was not very shiny, so the crystals didn't come out very shiny. However, once we add another layer of resin, this little crystal patch will be really shiny. So let's go ahead and add some UV resin to it and brush it out. And here we have it so far. So everything's so glittery. I wanted to do one more thing. I just got this new bottle of dragonfly glaze, and just take a look at this. This is a color changing top coat. So I want to add this to Rainbow Dash because everything's so glittery except for Rainbow Dash. So let's go ahead and add a very thin layer to Rainbow Dash. Alright everyone, and we are done. Oh my goodness, just take a look at this. So this dish is super glittery. We have glitter down here on the bottom, on the plate itself. We have a little cluster of gems, also in layers of color. Over here we have Rainbow Dash, and I don't know if you can see it, but she is slightly shimmery. So before she was more of a matte color, but now with that extra layer, she looks extra shimmery and matches the crystals. So this is really fun. This is actually a very good sized plate. We can put quite a lot. So here's a little hair clip. Let's put a little applejack trinket, and maybe even a light up ring. Alright everyone, so what do you think of my trinket dish? Do you like this? I think it's so much fun to add toys to accessories like this. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!